Hello and welcome to another Oracle Policy Automation demonstration. This demonstration focuses on achieving maximum efficiency through the use of Oracle Policy Automation in conjunction with CRM on Demand to streamline a claim eligibility determination. During the course of the claim eligibility assessment, the products that you will see in use are CRM on Demand, Oracle Policy Automation, the OPA connector for CRM on Demand, and the BI Publisher integration with OPA. Before beginning the demonstration, a brief introduction to the scenarios you're about to see. A call center agent will receive a call for a claim and then retrieve the claimant detail in CRM on Demand. They will then initiate an Oracle Web's determination interview in which OPA will load the policy data from CRM on Demand. The agent will follow that interview, collecting all relevant information, and then OPA will return the type of reimbursement for which the claim is eligible. There'll be two outcomes, either the claim being totally refundable or the claim is not totally refundable. In scenario 1, in which the claim is totally refundable, the agent will open the claim summary document generated by the BI Publisher integration with OPA. The agent clicks on the Save button and the new claim is automatically generated within CRM on Demand. The agent can then send the claim summary document to the customer via email and save it within CRM on Demand as an attachment. In the second scenario, the claim is not totally refundable, and OPA provides additional information about what other policies the customer may be interested in. In this case, additional information on how the claimant desires to be contacted is collected, and a new lead is created automatically within CRM on Demand. Without further delay, let's begin the demonstration.
I'm a call center agent for Oracle Insurance, and the first thing I do in the morning is to access to my CRM on Demand system. Then I receive a call from a customer who would like to claim for some medical expenses. So using the search functionality provided by my CRM on Demand system, I can easily search for the contact detail page of this customer. Here, I have access to all the basic customer data, including all the information about the policy subscribed by the customer itself. In this case, Marco Polo has purchased a policy called Oracle Essential, which basically covers all the generic medical treatments, such as ticket, medical examination, day hospital, and so on and so forth. In addition, at the end of the contact detail page, I have been provided with the OPA interview for assessing the claim eligibility of the customer. So I'm now ready to start with the eligibility assessment. In the first step, OPA loads the policy data of the customer, which will be then processed against the claim details collected in order to assess the type of eligibility. Then OPA guides me through a series of questions that need to be asked in order to check the type of eligibility. This means that I don't need any particular knowledge on this specific process and how it works in order to do this assessment. By doing so, my company can both reduce training costs and increase the productivity for new employees. So I select here as the type of medical treatment, day hospital, policyholder as the subject of the medical treatment, and 1st of January 2012 as the date of the medical treatment. Then I insert the original value of the claim paid by the customer, which is 400 euro, and then I click on the Submit button in order to complete my interview process. So in some easy steps, OPA is able to provide me with the type of reimbursement, in this case, as you can see, is partially refundable, as well as with the amount of money which can be refunded to the customer, which is 300 euro. At this point, the customer could complain about why his claim is not totally refundable. Then, using the decision report provided by OPA, I can easily tell the customer how the decision has been made, delivering auditable transparency. In this case, the maximum claimable amount is 300 euro, which comes from the annual coverage maximum for the policy Oracle Essential, which is 1,500 euro, minus the value of the medical expenses previously claimed by this customer, which is 1,200 euro. Whereas the claim value the original claim value of the customer is 400 euro, which is actually greater than the claimable amount. If I now come back to the summary document of the OPA interview, I can also see that based on the claim eligibility assessment, OPA also allows my company to do upselling by giving me an advice for the customer to purchase more expensive policies. In this case, the customer could upgrade his policies to Oracle Top, which offers the same medical coverage as Oracle Essential, but has a greater annual coverage maximum. As the customer is interested in having more information about Oracle Top, I will generate a lead. This can be done by simply asking to the customer, I would like to be contacted to receive further information about our policy. In this case, the customer would like to receive a call from our sales representative. Then, lastly, using the pre-built integration between OPA and BI Publisher, a summary document is generated. If I now open the summary document, we can see that all the information regarding the claim have been automatically updated in the document. In addition, the customer is provided with a list of the necessary steps he needs to accomplish in order to receive his money back. So now this document will be sent to the customer via email and also saved as an attachment into the new claim generated within the CRM system. Thanks to the pre-built integration between OPA and CRM On Demand, I'm now ready to generate the new claim and the new lead into my CRM On Demand system by simply clicking on the Save button in my interview session. So my session has been saved successfully, and refreshing my page, I can see that two objects will appear into the customer page. And here we go, okay. If I now go inside the new claim, I can see that all the fields regarding the claim details and the medical treatment have been automatically populated. So claim status, the value of the claim, the refundable amount, and so on and so forth. So let's go back to the contact detail page and let's see the lead which has been generated. Also, the lead has all the fields automatically populated using the OPA interview. So the product interest and the next step. Also here we can see that the lead source has been populated with the value OPA claim interview. So what does it mean? Using the analytics within CRM On Demand, upper management will be able to understand the effectiveness of the OPA advice process by measuring how many leads have been created from the OPA interview flow. So the health eligibility claim process has now completed. Now I would like to focus your attention on how easy it is to build and change rules in OPA using Word and Excel. To better explain this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change one of the parameters in the claim eligibility project, and then I will run the interview again using the same input as before. So first of all, let's open the Oracle Policy Modeling, which has been used to build this project. Here we can see that we have two different documents which has been used to create the rules. The Word document, where you can see how the rules have been created. In the Word document, there is also some red text, which means that the document has already been compiled. And now let's open the Excel document. In the Excel document, we can see the annual maximum coverage table. So now I'm going to change the annual coverage maximum for the policy Oracle Essential type individual, which is exactly the one we are using for this demonstration. So the original value is 1,500 euro, and now I'm going to insert 3,000 euro. Let's save the document, let's close it, and let's build the project again. One document has been compiled successfully. So now let's close this project. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to replace the old version of the rule based with the new one that I've just modified. In order to do that, I have to copy the zip file containing all the new rule base into my Apache Tomcat, which is the server that I'm using for deploying the rules for this demonstration. Okay, perfect. So now the change has been made. What I'm going to do now is running the interview again and showing you how the result of the claim eligibility will change. So let's insert the same data as before. So date was 1st of January 2012, and then the original value of the claim, which is 400 euro, and let's click on the submit button. And here, as you can see, now the medical expenses for Marco Polo are totally refundable, whereas before the medical expenses were only partially refundable, and the amount before was 300 euro, whereas now is 400 euro. So with this example, what I wanted to show you is the real power of Oracle Policy Automation. This example shows how using Oracle Policy Automation, managers can build and maintain business rules easily and make rapid changes when required, increasing the agility of an organization, improving accuracy and transparency, and also reducing the overall IT project cost.
Thank you for viewing the demonstration. For more information on Oracle Policy Automation, visit the Oracle Technology Network at otn.oracle.com, the Oracle Policy Automation category at forums.oracle.com, or additional videos on the YouTube channel at Oracle PA Videos.